The next time you prepare breakfast, experiment. Start by adding 3 egg yolks. Then, how am I doing? Place the tortilla with the egg yolks facing down. Grated mozzarella. Grated cheddar. It must stay this way. After that, add 700 grams of ground meat, 1 pinch of Kingdom, 1 sweet pea, 1 garlic powder, 1 onion powder. Add. When it happens, it must stay this way. Now cut one of the tortillas into 3 equal parts, just like I'm doing. I hope you are enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. Doing this in every one of them. Uniformly. It must stay this way. Now in everyone. 30 grams worth of cheddar cheese and roll. How am I doing? This is the ideal point. Enjoy. In the comments. That we will with the heart. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Fry. Egg yolk. With milk. Take to the oven. Bake for 30 minutes, but keep an eye out. According to the power of your oven. You have the ABP recipe. It is available to download. Buy that recipe and put to download. In 1 jar ISSO, add 3 seconds of mayonnaise, 1 ketchup, 1 mustard, 1 barbecue sauce, 1 honey, 1 pinch of Kingdom, 1 teaspoon garlic powder,